When thought loses alignment and turns away from source, the current has no outlet and pressure builds its force. Without balance or connection, the motion turns inward. What was meant to move outward becomes heavy and blurred. Energy seeks expression, it does not disappear. When denied its natural pathway, it circles close and near. Restore the flow of thinking, let direction realign, so the current finds release and clarity returns in time. When thought reconnects with order, the weight begins to ease. What once pressed inward can finally move with peace. Thoughts held without harmony do not drift away. They remain and repeat in patterns that delay. The strain is not punishment, nor a chance or fate. It is energy seeking passage at a closed internal gate. Understanding opens pathways that resistance cannot hold. Awareness restores movement where pressure once controlled. Restore the flow of thinking so the circuit forms again, where coherence meets direction and motion does not end. When alignment replaces conflict, the system reorganizes and energy resumes its course. As clarity stabilizes, labels change from age to age. Explanations shift in time, but imbalance follows the same law. When thought drifts out of line, restore the flow of thinking, let harmony return, where alignment clears the pathway and steady motion is earned. What once lingered without outlet now moves and reorganizes as thought reconnects with order and inner pressure subsides. The current waits for agreement, the pathway waits for tone. When thought returns to coherence, energy finds its way home.